Hey friends, welcome to my Heart Rolodex Art card. I'm doing another Rolodex card. I've just been loving these. I decided to do a heart-shaped card for February. And I'm just cutting out that shape for a Rolodex and doing my Rolodex bottom. And pretty much the same things I've been doing with the other Rolodex. I really like sanding it down to get that sheen, and I don't have to gesso it, and I'm not wasting any paint, and I really like that. So I do both sides and sand that down so then I can add whatever color paint I'd like and not have to worry about it, and I can write down my info on the back. So I decided to do red, and I decided to do layers of color. So I do first like a really bright red. This is all DecoArt paints, a little bit of a darker red, and then I think I go like a teal with just some stenciling here, just I want some of it to go through. I didn't want it to be all teal. I decided to go a little bit of orange here. I did 2 layers of orange because the orange wasn't very popping, and my plan didn't quite pop as much as it has in the past because I think I was not letting it dry in between too well. But I was planning to do a bunch of layers and sand back some of the layers and see some colors through. It worked a bit, but not. I should have left this white one maybe out. I think too much white was showing through with that layer. But it didn't quite work the way I wanted to. So, but at the end, anyways, it looked great. So I just continued adding color anyway. So turned out pretty good. So yeah, I just did layers and layers, and that's my last layer of color. And then I just sand it down carefully. I want all the colors coming through. You can't see them, but then I kind of cover them up with more paint. So it's like, but I had fun doing it, so that's all that matters, really. So I was just trying to be careful so I didn't get all white and get some of the colors through. Then I decided to go over with gold, which kind of muted some of my colors in the background, but I just love gold, so I didn't care. Just go with it. That's what I say. Go with it. Don't worry about it. Don't sweat the small stuff. Just have fun. I put whitewash on it. I don't know why. See what it looked like. It didn't look bad, actually. So, playing with it. Did a little bit of the black liner around there, and that's just acrylic black pearl with a fine liner end. And I did around, and I did some stitching around as well on the inner part of the heart. And I wrote love, nice and thick, 2018. I dried it really well, really super well, both sides, just to get that to dry, and painted over it gold so I didn't smear it. And why? I don't know, but I really like the kind of the gold with the black bit of a background there, so I liked it. Went in with my twist sticks on top of all that beautiful color. Don't know why, but I had fun with it. Played with it, and I really liked it. So don't worry about the noise. So this is again my twist sticks and a little red in there. I do go on with the white, and that's where I kind of like didn't like that color so much. I liked it all until I did that, but I had to kind of fix it up with a little bit more red on top. It went pinky, but I played with it, added gold. It was alright. Fixed it all up. Never despair, just keep going. Just keep going. It's only paper and a little bit of paint. And I went around with my fine liner again because it was like all muted. And did the same with the dashes only, not the outer edge. I left the outer edge at blacky gold. And did that, and so I just had my little dashes or stitching kind of thing, splash some white gesso on there, and there we go. I love it. I hope you guys do too. Thanks, friends. Bye.